Serve on the way to Sharon. Humphrey back sets Connor in the middle and makes it easy. Sharon to Humphrey. They'll go back set. Phip to Sharon. Humphrey. They'll go again. Connor left side.
I'd love to get those points on the board again.
Come with the cross. Picked up there by Connor. Humphreys now rewards her with a set. Nice serve by Ross. Humphrey at the net, sends it high. Lousy.
Way to do that.
Sharon to Humphrey. They'll go quick. Lousy. Got it. Ross's serve. Sharon now they'll go backside. Lousy outside. Mistimed. Humphreys from the back. Serve on the way. Sharon. Humphrey's going to go all the way across Connor. And she'll put it away easy. Lousy to Humphrey. They'll go outside to Connor. Got it. Nice. Sharon pass to Humphrey. She's going to go to Connor and serve on the way. Sharon going to pop that up to Humphreys and he'll tip it over and over. Sharon, Humphrey, quick. Finds 7-8. Humphreys, quick set. Now Green leaves it to Arnold. Quick for Green. Green, quick. Arnold gets it nice and high. Blocked up there by, gets that over. Back set there. A play at the net and up to the outside, O'Connell.
And from Spokane area.
Arnold's quick set, tipped, covered, and excuse me, pop up. Lousy. Cleland goes outside. Nice hit. Green serve. Connor to Cleland. Humphreys off the. Humphrey off the block.